Hello English learners, welcome to today's English video. We are going to talk about the difference between too much and very much. What is the difference? Too much means having an excessive amount of something which leads to negative consequences. We use it when we want to say that there is more than what is needed or what is good. Very much is used to express a strong degree of feeling or intensity, usually in a positive context. It emphasizes how much we like, appreciate, or enjoy something. Now let's try. Like this video if you found it helpful and share it with friends. 1. I ate sugar. Eating sugar in excess is problematic, so we use too much. 2. I look forward to seeing him. Look forward to seeing somebody is a favorable thing, so we use very much. There is noise in the class. Noise being in anywhere is annoying, so we use too much. 4. I enjoy being outside. Enjoy doing something has a positive context, so we use very much. 5. There's traffic on the road. Traffic is regarded as something problematic, so we use too much. 6. I love my teaching job. Love doing something has a positive context, so we use very much. Please subscribe for more content and let me know what should I cover next.